In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Salesforce Account Plans Plus tutorial. An account plan brings your strategy for a customer into one place: goals, plays, and the people who make decisions. In the next few minutes, we'll prepare the account page so your sellers can see and update the plan right where they work. Start in Salesforce Lightning on the home page. In the top right, open the gear icon to get to settings, then open the full setup workspace. If you see an option called Advanced Setup, choose that. This takes you to the complete admin tools you'll need for the next steps. Inside Setup, open Object Manager and search for Account. Select the account object, then, from the left sidebar, choose Page Layouts and open your active account layout. This layout controls what users see on every account record. Now prepare space for the plan. Add or confirm a dedicated account plan section on the layout. If your org already includes plan fields or a related plan component, drag those onto the page. Keep essentials above the fold: strategic overview, revenue targets, key initiatives, and next steps. Group information logically so reps can scan quickly, and minimize required fields to reduce friction. With the layout ready, create an account plan on a test account to validate the flow. Write a concise summary of the customer's current situation and desired outcomes. Clarify the value hypothesis, milestones, and key risks. Short, actionable statements help with adoption and reporting. Next, define objectives. Spell out measurable goals, owners, and timelines, and link each objective to activities or opportunities so progress is trackable. Use pick lists and dates where available to keep data clean, and keep naming consistent so dashboards roll up cleanly. Finally, map the people. Use relationship maps or stakeholder fields to identify executive sponsors, champions, evaluators, and potential blockers. Capture roles, influence, and alignment with your solution. Place the map or stakeholder section where it's easy to find on the page, and update it as contacts or org structures change so your team always has an accurate view of the buying committee. Before you wrap up, preview the account page to ensure the new section loads quickly on desktop and mobile. If you adjusted the layout, verify the layout assignment so the right profiles can see it. And that's it. You've set up Salesforce account plans, defined clear objectives, and brought your stakeholder map into view. Keep the plan alive by refreshing objectives after key meetings and revisiting the map as the account evolves.